This is a public service announcement from the producers of the Viral Movements Music Seminar. Follow hashtag Viral Movements on Twitter.com. In a digital era, there are no limitations or restrictions on reach. Your target market can be in a 10-mile radius or thousands of miles away. No more expensive overhead costs to get your product out internationally. That's what the Viral Movements Music Seminar is all about. You can attend virtually by following the hashtag Viral Movements on Twitter.com. Once again, attend virtually by following the hashtag Viral Movements on Twitter.com. Join thousands of people worldwide as they participate in the inaugural Viral Movements Music Seminar, which will be held in Freeport, Grand Bahamas on February 5th, 2011 at the Pelican Bay Conference Center in Grand Bahamas, starting promptly at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Viral Movements Music Seminar aims to introduce the entertainment industry to the power of new media by facilitating this groundbreaking seminar using voice-over IP technology, state-of-the-art webinar and distance learning tools, while providing a rare opportunity for the virtual and on-site attendees to fully interact with influential leaders in the music and entertainment industry. The seminar will focus on 6 key topics. 1. What is new media? 2. The business of music, identifying different opportunities in the industry as they exist locally and virtually. 3. Creating a brand, marketing, social media, and promotions. 4. Speaking with the press, maintaining image. How do you approach the press? 5. Digital distribution, going indie and why. The death of a free mixtape and your return on your investment. Putting a commercially available product together. 6. Live performances and international bookings. The writer, the agent, the tour manager, and so much more. After this event, the audience will have a clear understanding of professional opportunities available in the music industry, laws regarding royalties and copyrights, as well as how to create, promote, and manage a brand, and put together a commercially viable project for sale and distribution as an indie artist. Once again, this has been a public service announcement brought to you by the producers of the Viral Movements Music Seminar. Follow our hashtag Viral Movements on Twitter.com.